We're going to be going up to the observation deck here at Sears Tower, downtown Chicago. It's our Otis Compass. And we got this one.
Welcome back, exit over to your left-hand side. Have a great one.
Alright.
We're just gonna wait momentarily, please.
Okay, sure. Alright, let's get a cab view while we're waiting. Wow, this is beautiful. This is way different than I remember. Wow. It's got these new buttons. Thank you. All right, here we go.
A great fire set Chicago ablaze, burning down 1/3 of the city. Rising from the ashes, Chicago quickly rebuilds to become an architectural icon. The World's Fair of 1893 opens, boasting beautiful white buildings.
My ears are already popping.
As new inventions debut, such as electricity, elevators, and the Ferris wheel. As the birthplace of the skyscraper, Chicago flourishes in the new century with glamorous Art Deco buildings and modern architectural styles.
What is the capacity in this? I think, 5,000 pounds.
Soaring 110 stories high, a new American icon is born.
These were originally Westinghouse by Schindler and got modernized by Otis Compass Plus. Or maybe just Compass, not really Plus.
Spectacular views from all
Woo, these are fast. These are actually faster than ever.
And feel the thrill of the ledge. Welcome to Skydeck.
Oh, this is cool. Oh, here we are at 103. Yeah, one last cab. Okay, awesome, thank you. This is beautiful. Let me get one picture of this panel. That's the compass panel right there. And there you have it. Oh, we just got done with the view there. Now we're gonna head back down in the elevators. Here's the inspection certificate. I didn't get this last time. On the way up. Your fixtures. All right. Last pick. Here we go down.
We hope you enjoyed Chicago from the city's highest point. Now, we're traveling down at over 18 miles per hour on one of the fastest elevators in the world. Along the way, Take a peek at all the things happening in this tower. While some are whining and dining, others are burning off calories. Thousands of people work hard across nearly 100 office floors. Others are celebrating life. And still more people are visiting for the day. There's something for everyone in this tower. Take your Skydeck memories home with you at the photo pickup and explore hundreds of unique items in the Skydeck marketplace. Thank you for visiting Skydeck.
There. Thank you. One last view of that. Alright. I'm gonna watch the door close. There it goes. And that is all.